What does it take to stand tall through life's toughest storms? To rise from the ashes of loss and keep pushing forward? Today, we raise roses and eulogies to a woman who embodies strength, resilience, and unwavering love, Regina Chris Ogbodo. In February, we honored outstanding women, widows, single mothers, and all the incredible women shaping lives. But today, I want to celebrate a friend who fits all these descriptions and more. Coincidentally, this is International Women's Month, but in my heart, every day is a day to celebrate women because women give birth to life, nurture dreams, and carry burdens with grace. I have known Regina Chris Ogbodo since 1989, first as a young single mother. We served together in the choir at Trem, then as a married woman, had beautiful children, and sadly, as a widow for the past 10 years. But her story doesn't end in grief. She rose above all her challenges and turned her pain into purpose. She is not just a diction coach, the CEO of Regina Training Consult, shaping the voices of many, but also the founder of Widows Might, a non-profit supporting widows in their physical, mental, spiritual, and financial well-being. She didn't let her life break her. She rebuilt herself and lifted others along the way. Now let's hear from those who know her best, her children. Their love, gratitude, and admiration for their mother will touch your heart.
So my mom is a very nice, considerate person. She's loving, she's caring, and she's everything a mother should be and more. My mom is annoying most of the times to me, but what matters is that I love her very much. She's nice. She's forgiving. No matter how much you want to go or do, she always forgives and she doesn't bring it back. She looks at you as if you never did it, and she's everything you ever want. She's the best one in the world. I love her very much. Thank you.
Hi, I'm the third child of Regina Chris Ogbodo, and I love my mom very much. My mom is my idol. My mom is my role model. My mom is a very fun, caring person. She's literally the life of every party she's in, life of everywhere she goes into. There's no dull moment with my mom. My mom is very supportive of every one of us dreams and aspirations. Like, she's someone we can just go to and talk to when we're down, when we're feeling inspired, just anything. Like, she's there for us no matter how much she scolds us or she fights us. We know that she means the best. She loves us so much. She loves not just us, like her own children. We see how she loves others and puts other people first. I love her very much. She's such a great woman of God. She has set example not just by saying but by living this example, so it's easy for us to learn from it and watch her. She's a very, very, very wonderful mother, and I'll not trade her for any other one. I don't wish to have any other mother. I love my mom. She's great. Mwah.
Want to take this time out to celebrate my beautiful mom. She's the nicest, kindest, most attentive, sensitive person ever. She's very disciplined, she's friendly, she's sweet, and she's a well of wisdom. I really, really love to listen to my mom and just sit and listen to her talk and share her experience and just things like that. I quote her almost all the time. My friends really, really like point that out and say, "Oh, you quote your mom a lot. She's a well of wisdom." I love how attentive she is. I love how she moves with the times, regardless of generational differences. She's just really cool. She's actually really, really cool. And I love that about her. Mom, I love you so much. I am happy I'm your daughter. I'm grateful to God that you're my mom. And I'm eternally grateful for you. Love you so much.
To an incredible, phenomenal, outstanding, I could go on and on and on, woman. Happy birthday, mommy. Thank you so much for all you have been to not just me, not just to my siblings, but to everyone who comes in contact with you. I admire the way you come into a room and the whole place lights up. People are drawn to you. You have a kind spirit. You have a warmth. You have a wonderful heart. And we love you so much. Your grandchildren have bits and pieces of memories here and there of grandma. Thank you for being intentional. All those bedtime stories that you record, I mean, that's so amazing. And we really do see these things. And we want you to know that we appreciate you. You are an incredible woman. Thank you for all those times of prayers. And I know that you're still interceding for us. Thank you for showing us an amazing example of how a woman should carry herself. Thank you for being somebody we could talk to. You're a friend. Thank you for, having listening ears. And thank you even for showing us how to do it when it comes to fashion. We see you and we admire you and we love you. Your grandchildren, hardly a day goes by without them mentioning grandma this, grandma that. So we love you so much, mommy, and we continue to pray that God increases you. You will live a long, healthy, fruitful life. You will live to see your children's children. And I pray for you that exceeding abundantly above all that you can ask, think, or even imagine is what God will do for you this year. You enter into your season of ease, your season of rest, in Jesus' name. I love you so much, ma. Have an amazing birthday.
Regina's story is a reminder that pain doesn't have to define you, it can refine you. She has given so much to the world, and today we give back in form of love, honor, and eulogies. If you know an incredible woman who deserves her flowers, tag her in the comments and drop a rose emoji to celebrate her strength. And if you are a widow or single mother watching this, know that your story is not over. You are powerful, loved, and capable of rewriting your future. Mama Reg, as fondly called by many, today we celebrate you. Thank you for being a beacon of light, for proving that resilience is a superpower, and for touching lives with your kindness and strength. May this new year bring you joy, peace, and all the love you have given to others.